Welcome to Saraship Guidance Center. Today's topic is parallel lines and transversal. 2.2. Now see here 2.2 question number 1, that is choose the correct alternative. Okay. In the adjoining figure, if line M parallels to line N, that is given. This line M is parallel to line N, that is given. And line P is transversal. This P is the transversal. Then find X. Very easy here. These 3x and x are interior angle, and you know that measurement of interior angle is 180 degree, and therefore we can write 3x plus x is equals to 180 degree. That means 4x is equals to 180, and therefore x is equals to 180 divided by 4. If we divide this, then 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and therefore value of x is 45 degree. That is option number C is your correct answer. 3x plus 1x, whenever nothing is there, 1 is present. Okay. Question number 2 is, in adjoining figure, if line A parallels to line B and line L is the transversal. Here this line A is parallel to line B and this line L is the transversal, that is given. Find the value of x. Now see this 4x and 2x. See z is there. असा z तयार झालाय ना, zigzag. Whenever zigzag is there, then alternate angles. Okay, but these are not alternate. हा बाहेरच्या बाजूला आहे, हा आतल्या बाजूला. इथे हा अल्टरनेट येईल ना, इथे 4x येईल. Here this is 4x, then this angle is also 4x, because हा 4x असेल तर हा इकडचा 4x असणार, because vertical alternate angles. असे z तयार झाला असा असा z, तर ते काय असतात अल्टरनेट. मग इथे 1 2 3 मीन्स 4x 4x एवढं कळलं, हा अल्टरनेट झाला. मग आता 4x प्लस 2x ह्या दोघांची ॲडिशन जर केली, इफ आय ॲड these two, then they form a linear pair, and therefore we can write 4x plus 2x is equals to 180. Linear pair addition is 180 degree. Okay, and 4 plus 2 is 6x. 6x is equals to 180 degree, and therefore x is equals to 180 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18, that is 30 degree. Option number D is your correct answer. Now see what is meant by linear pair of angles. Okay, suppose this is a straight line, and in this straight line there are these two angles. This is x, suppose this is y. Then this x plus y form a straight line. Base त्यांचा straight line आहे, म्हणून याला काय बोलतात linear pair, and addition of linear pair is always 180 degree. Suppose figure is like this, then this angle and this angle are linear pair. Suppose this is A and this is B. A plus B form a linear pair. कारण इथे base straight line आहे. Okay. Now see question number 2. In the given figure, P parallels to Q. See here, this line P is parallel to Q, and T and S. This line T and S are transversal. Okay, that is given. Find the measurement of x and y using the measures of given angle in the figure. आता x आणि y काढायचे. आता see here, this is 40. This line is parallel to this line. That means P is parallel to Q. I write here line P is parallel to line Q. Okay. See here first line P. I write here line P parallel to line. Sorry, P parallel to Q, and which is the transversal? T and S. Line T and line S are transversal. That is given to you. Okay, this is given, and therefore I write here given. दिलेला आहे आपल्याला. Suppose this P is parallel to Q and this T is the transversal, then see here this angle is 40, then this angle is also, or see this angle is 40, then this angle is also 40 degree, because एक छोड़ के एक सोडून एक मीन्स करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स. ओके, म्हणजे हा 40 झाला तर हा पण किती होणार आहे 40 बिकॉज दे आर करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स. मग आता हा 40 प्लस एक्स हिअर आय राईट हिअर 40 प्लस एक्स जर केला आपण इथे बघा 40 प्लस एक्स लिनियर पेअर होईल की नाही. अशी लाईन आहे, इकडे 40 आहे, इकडे एक्स आहे, बेस स्ट्रेट लाईन आहे, म्हणजे काय झाले लिनियर पेअर. 40 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 180 degree because they form a linear pairs. Okay, if they form linear pairs then here 40 plus x is equals to 180, therefore x is equals to 180 plus 40 changes to minus 40, that is x is equals to 180 minus 40, that is 140 degree, and therefore value of x is 140 degree. That is your first answer. Okay, then we have to find out the value of y. Now see again, this p is parallel to q and this s is your transversal. Okay, then this is y and suppose this is 70. Opposite angle of 70 is also 70. Is it right? 70. See, I write here 70 degree is equals to 70 degree because vertically they are vertically opposite angles. आता 70 इथे आपण काहीतरी घेऊया अक्षर. सपोज दिस इज ए इज इक्वल्स टू 70. ओके, 70 इज इक्वल्स टू और आय राईट दिस 70 इन ब्रॅकेट a is equals to 70. हा a 70 आला का आला बिकॉज वर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स, कारण हा 70 आहे म्हणून हा इथला a 70 आला. ओके, नाउ हिअर a प्लस y दे आर इंटिरियर अँगल्स. यू नो addition of this interior angle is 180 degree and therefore I write a plus y is equals to 180 degree because interior angles, addition of interior angle is 180 and therefore a किती आपला 70 plus y is equals to 180 degree and therefore y is equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree, and therefore your second answer is y is equals to 110 degree. And therefore x is equals to 140 and y is equals to 110. Now see question number 3. In the given figure, P parallel to Q. This line P is parallel to Q, that is given. Line L parallel to M. This line L is parallel to line M, that is also given. This is P and Q, L and M. Okay, find the measures of A, B, C. A, B and C. Now see, this P is parallel to Q and this L and M are transversal. Okay, I write here line P parallel to line Q and line L and line M are transversal. बरोबर का, ह्या दोन लाईन या पी आणि क्यू ला काय करतात कट करतात, देअरफॉर दे आर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. ओके, नाउ हिअर दिस अँगल इज 80. आता 80 च्या समोर इथे अँगल दिलेला नाही आपल्याला, तर सपोज त्याला मी ए बी सी इथे मी डी घेतो. ठीक आहे, नाउ सी डी इज इक्वल्स टू 80 बिकॉज दे आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स. इज इट राईट? आय राईट हिअर डी इज इक्वल्स टू 80 डिग्री because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite काय असतात इक्वल असतात. ओके, नाउ सी डी अँड सी एक सोडून एक छोड़ के एक काय होणार ते करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स. ओके, आय राईट हिअर डी इज इक्वल्स टू सी बिकॉज दे आर corresponding angles, but D is equals to 80 and therefore C is equals to 80 degree. That is your first answer. C is equals to 80 degree. First answer is there. Now see again, if C is equals to 80 degree, C is equals to 80 degree. Okay. Now these two P and Q are P parallel to Q, and this M is the transversal that is given. Okay, and therefore this C angle and B angle, फिर एक छोड़ के एक, C and B are also corresponding angles. Okay, and therefore I write here B is equals to C is equals to 80 degree. बघा जरा पुन्हा C हा एक सोडला, B घेतला, एक सोडून एक काय असतात corresponding, and therefore this is also 80 degree because corresponding angles. बरोबर, they are corresponding angles, and therefore this is also 80 degree. Means B is also 80 degree. B 80 degree आला आपला. आता राहिला काढायचा A. आता B 80 आहे. सपोज आपण इथे एक काहीतरी अँगल कन्सिडर केला, सपोज E. कळते, हा अँगल सपोज E आहे असं म्हणू आपण. तर B इज इक्वल्स टू E येणार. B इज इक्वल्स टू E बिकॉज दे आर व्हर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स. आय राईट हियर B is equals to E, and that is equals to also 80 degree because vertically opposite angles. वर्टिकली अपोजिट काय असतात, इक्वल असतात. बी आणि ई समोरासमोर आहेत ना, वर्टिकली अपोजिट म्हणजे ई पण किती आला आपला, हा इथे 80 डिग्री आला. एवढं कळलं, ई 80 आला. आता आपण बघूया ई अँड धिस अँगल सपोज, किंवा असे काम करू, हा ई आहे ना, इथे काहीतरी मी घेतो सपोज एक्स या साईडचा, ए इकडे आहे ना, वरच्या बाजूला आहे, आपण आतल्या बाजूला घेऊया एक्स. ओके, काय घेऊ, आतल्या बाजूला आपण एक्स घेऊ. Now see again this B is equals to E because they are vertically opposite angles, and therefore B is equals to 80, then E is also equals to 80. Suppose this angle is X, then we can say X plus E. See here, X plus E, they are interior angles, and therefore I write X plus E is equals to 180 degree because interior angles. Okay, they are interior angles, and therefore their addition is 180. But here E is how much, 80, therefore I write X plus 80 is equals to 180, and therefore X is equals to 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. आता मला सांगा, X जर का 100 असेल तर हा A पण किती असणार आहे, 100 because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, and therefore I write here A is equals to X is equals to 100 degree because vertically opposite, okay, vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. That means value of A is, see your last answer is, value of A is 100 degree, value of B is 80 degree, value of C is also 80 degree. That means A, B, C, value of A 100, B 80, and C is also 80 degree. Question number 4, that is स्टार असतो ना, याला हॉट्स बोलतात, हॉट्स, हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग क्वेश्चन्स. ओके, इन द adjoining figure line A parallels to line B, A is parallels to B, that is given. Now see, I write first line A parallels to line B, and this line L is transversal, that is given. Okay, now see here, we have to find out the value of x, y, z. Very easy. If this is transversal, see this is 105, how 105 plus this angle z is equals to how much, they form a linear pair, and therefore it is equals to 180. Now I write first 105 degree plus Z is equals to 180 degree because they are in linear pairs and therefore their addition is 180 degree, and therefore Z is equals to 180 minus 105, that is 75 degree. Now value of Z is how much? It is 75 degree. Okay, now here 105 and x एक सोडून एक असे आहेत. इथे 105 आहे आणि इथे x आहे. एक छोड़ के एक रहेगा तो करस्पॉन्डिंग, एंड देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट हियर x is equals to directly 105 because they are corresponding angles. एक सोडून एक असतात तर corresponding, and therefore these are corresponding angles. Value of x is 105. Value of z is how much? 75. Now we have to find out the value of y. Okay, now see here x and y, they are vertically opposite, is it right? And therefore I write here x is equals to y because vertically opposite angles. X and y are vertically opposite angles, and therefore, but we know that y, x is equals to how much? X is equals to 105 degree, and therefore y is also 105 degree, and that is the value of y is equals to 105 degree. See again, very easy. This is 105. 105 plus this z is equals to 180 because this is the straight line linear pair. Okay, from this find out the value of z, that is 75 degree. And if z is 75, this is 105, एक छोड़ के एक, x is also 105. If x is 105, then y is also 105 because they are vertically opposite angles. Measurement is same. In this way we find x, y and z. See, next question is, in the adjoining figure, line P parallel to line L parallel to line Q, means this is P, ही L ला parallel आहे, ही Q ला parallel आहे, आणि ह्या दोन काय transversal. Okay, find x with the help of measures given in the figure. Now see here, very easy. Line P is parallel to line L. Okay, I write here line P parallel to line L parallel to line Q. Okay, and these two are transversal. This is the transversal. Suppose this is, I write here Z. Okay, and suppose I write here Y. Okay, and line Y and line Z are transversal. Okay, they are transversals. Okay, now see here, if this line is parallel to this line, this is 40, then this x is also 40 because z means alternate angles. Okay, and therefore I write here x is equals to 40 degree because alternate angles. Okay, x is equals to 40 degree. आता इथे ना आपल्याला इथे कोणता अँगल आहे माहित नाही. इथे आपण सपोज घेऊया y. सपोज दिस इज y. ओके, नाउ टेल मी y, angle y and this 30, they are also c, z, that means alternate angles, and therefore I write here y is equals to 30 degree because alternate angles. Y is also 30 degree because alternate angles. But where to find x. x एक मिनिट, हा x छोटा नाही आहे, हा x फुल x विचारलाय त्यांनी. मग याला आपण काहीतरी वेगळा अँगल घेऊया. सपोज दिस अँगल इज a. Instead of x I write here a. Why I write a? Because see here this x is whole angle. लक्ष द्या, हा पूर्ण अँगल x म्हटलंय त्यांनी. असा आपण एवढा घेतला, एवढा नाही. The full angle is x, and therefore I consider this half angle is a and this half angle is y. This is a. That means a is equals to 40. Instead of x we have to write a is equals to 40 degree and this y is equals to 30 degree. But how angle x, पूर्ण हा मोठा म्हणजे x आहे, कळलं, हा पूर्ण मोठा म्हणजे x आहे. हा x कसा बनलाय, x is equals to a plus y. a plus y जर मी एकत्र केले तर पूर्ण x मिळेल, बरोबर. a plus y याला म्हणतात अँगल ॲडिशन प्रॉपर्टी. दिस इज कॉल्ड अँगल ॲडिशन प्रॉपर्टी. angle addition property, and therefore x is equals to a is 40 degree, y is 30 degree, and therefore this x, sorry not a, x is equals to 40 plus 30, that is 70 degree. इथे लक्ष द्या, आपण काय चूक केली होती, इथे याला एवढ्याशाला x घेतला होता, आता एवढासा x नाहीये, तर हा फुल अँगल x आहे. ओके, and a and y, these are a and y, and therefore value of x is 70 degree. That is your last answer.